Did I hear that right? You said this is 300 pounds?
Yeah, so
that's crazy.
So that's kind of the jewel here. So we're Harker Outdoors. We manufacture these in Bountiful, Utah. When we kind of looked at this segment, the wedge camper segment, we saw a lot of awesome products, but we also saw some pain points that we wanted to address, or ways we thought we could maybe improve on the designs that we saw that were out there. And the first one was just crawling to enter the camper. So we've eliminated the crawl to entry pain point, if you will, by removing the rear crossbar here, which gives you a standing entry, so there's no more crawling into your camper, which we think is a really cool way to go. And then another really unique thing that we've done here is we enclose the tailgate, so that gives you, in these 5-foot truck beds, 30% more standing room inside. When you're setting up the camper, in order to accommodate this standing entry, the rear hatch of the camper actually removes and turns into a table. So you can see
nice. I've seen those on the side of a bunch of them.
That's our hatch table or speed table. So we've got our lift-away sleep platform inside the camper. Is here.
Oh, sweet. That's awesome.
I'll let you come up here and get some video as you would like, but this one of the really cool things here is you're able to keep 4.5 inches of bedding in place all the time. So
that's so cool.
There's no need to stuff your sleeping bags between stops, and so even with the collapse for driving, your bedding can still hang out in here. And then when you're hanging out inside your camper and want more headroom, it just lifts out of the way like so. And then you've got all this room to stand. So I'm 6'1", and I can stand clear at the back of the Gladiator bed now, which is awesome. So compared to a rooftop tent where you can't stand at all, to this where you've got almost your entire truck bed where you can stand.
So is your setup like what you offer, the whole package here, or just kind of the shell?
We do. So we offer the whole package. So our base camper comes with your hard-sided camper, the tent, the carpeted lift-away sleep platform, carpeted ceiling, the L-track mounting system, top and bottom, outside on both sides. And from there we have optional equipment like our solar electrical kit, which gives you 200 watts of solar on the roof, our custom solar panel, switches, lights, the whole kit and caboodle there. You can charge your devices up and run your fridge. So I've got a National Luna fridge here, dual zone, that's doubling as a bench. These are kind of slick. You can pick these up from Equipped, but they're dual zone, so you can bring ice cream out on the trail. Today I just have them both running as a fridge. But
cool. So you have separate controls on the temperature?
Yes, you've got separate controls there.
Nice.
And this thing, you know, I try to torture test our stuff, and I just need this running full time. I park in the garage most nights, and it still keeps up. So we've got a 100 amp hour lithium battery kit. It's just in this bench here. So cabinetry here, this is kind of slick though. It's a pass-through pantry. So
cool.
I'll show you on the outside, but it makes it so you can load your groceries on the outside on your way out of town without having to set up the camper and climb inside. But then, you know, once you're in here hanging out, you've got all your groceries there.
Cool.
Ready to use. This one's equipped with a little Camp Chef stove oven combo. Apologies, it's a little bit dirty. We just got back from a camp out. And
tried and tested, right?
Yeah. Drop-in sink here.
Cool.
Water down here. We've got a little drop-in pump to pump the water up and into the sink. With the bed lifted up, you've got this little standing workstation here as well. So even without any cabinetry, this is going to be something you'll have in your camper just by virtue of the design.
Yeah.
The whole thing sets up and tears down in under a minute.
Wow. That's impressive. And these are super adjustable. You can put just about anything up there.
So this L-track system is standard, top and bottom on both sides, and it just gives you, kind of a universal grid to mount anything you'd like there, whether it's traction boards, you know, your roto packs, axe or shovel like we've got on the other side, fire extinguisher, and then also awning. So this awning is actually mounted to that same L-track rail, and you just lift it up. So this is the other side of that pass-through pantry. The solar is $19.99. and that comes with 200 watts of solar on the roof, 105 amp hour gel cell battery with our custom battery box, the electrical panel inside, and lights, a light on either side on the outside, and then 3 different lights inside. So that gives you the ability to keep your fridge running, charge all your devices, and you have lights when you get to camp. So
Sweet.
you know, you can really push later into the day on your overlanding trips because your camper sets up in a minute and you've got lighting built in. So I don't find myself using my headlamp nearly as much as I used to.
Yeah. So where can people find you at?
So harkeroutdoors.com. We manufacture these right here in Bountiful, Utah. Everything is manufactured here in Utah, top to bottom, including our soft materials. We've got a local seamstress that sews our tents.
Sweet.
And so we do everything local. And yeah, feel free to check us out. We're Harker Outdoors on Instagram, harkeroutdoors.com, and you know, we'd love to build you a camper.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.